In a world pulsating with chaos, Maria found refuge in establishing mindful rituals that transformed her life. From morning meditations to evening reflections, each moment became a stepping stone towards greater self-awareness and emotional healing. For instance, her daily tea ritual became a sacred time for gratitude, allowing her to appreciate the present fully. Through these simple yet powerful practices, Maria not only cultivated peace, but also learned to cope with loneliness, embracing solitude as an ally in her journey. As she discovered, incorporating mindful rituals into life creates a nourishing environment for emotional growth and resilience.